Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you?
Sir, I am fine.
Very good. Very good. Welcome. Uh, yeah, 1 minute. Your name is Gaurav. Gaurav Kumar Patidar. You are from
Yes, sir.
Rajasthan, na?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Can you please tell about yourself?
Uh, Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My my name is Guru Kumar Patidar, qualified as a chartered accountant. Studied initial study done from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, and later on CA completed from Indore. And currently working in AU Small Finance Bank as a portfolio credit manager, secured business loan, with experience of 4.5 years.
Good. Very good. Is this the first job you have taken or second or third job?
So this is the first corporate job. Earlier to this, after completion of CA, I have worked 6 months in a CA firm based at Indore and working under audit and project finance.
Mhm. Good. So now you are with AU Small Finance Bank. Where is its
Yes,
headquarters?
sir.
Rajasthan,
Sir, the headquarter, yes, sir, Jaipur.
Jaipur. Acha, who are the important personalities in that small finance bank?
Sir, in my bank or sir, in all
AU,
banks?
no, no, your bank,
Yes,
your
sir.
bank.
Sir, our MD and CEO, Mr. Sanjay Agrawal, is the key person in the bank. Then our executive director, Mr. Uttam Tibrewalji, based at Mumbai branch. Uh, then in our SBL department, our national credit manager and product manager, they are the key person. With they are also being part of the credit committees and other audit, other internal audit aspects, and such things are also. They are the uh, main owners, main person who take owners of the same.
What is the total business of your bank?
Sir, total in as of 30th June, our bank has crossed total AUM of more than 50,000 crore.
Acha, deposits how much?
So the deposits are also in line with our AUM. The deposits with us is 53,000 crore at the end of March 2022.
No, you say you tell only as on one particular date. If you want to choose June, you must speak as on June. But if you want to take March, you have to take about March. Now, in
So
your case,
for
do you
deposits,
have you don't have figures?
for June I don't have deposit figures. Yes, sir.
Oh. No, but you said the total business position is over 50,000 crores, correct?
Sir, sir, if I included deposits as well as loan, then it will reach more than 1 lakh crore. And if I,
Actually, no. As a chartered accountant, you must be aware whenever a bank is asked about business position, it includes both deposits and advances.
okay, sir, I will, I have a doubt about the same and I don't have knowledge of the same.
No.
That's why
Actually,
I
I will show
missed.
you. I will show you the um, a report of Federal Bank where they have given the business position. Every bank tells only like that. Business
Yes, sir.
position means it includes deposits and advances. Good. So you are in the head office of the bank, or where are you?
No, sir, I am based at a branch situated in district Pratapgarh of Rajasthan.
Oh, you are only in a branch.
Yes, sir.
Oh, oh. But
But
who is the
currently I am managing the two branch and two more branch are proposed to be open in my location within the next 6 months. By
Mhm.
March 2023, I will be handling the
Then
more
what is
two more branch.
wha- so what is the procedure for handling of credit proposals at your branch, how do you go about collecting application, processing of it? To whom are you submitting the application, and how long they take for deciding about it? And then how the documentation goes on. Tell about that
Sir,
procedure.
sir, in our bank, the system is we have two teams. One is business teams, and the second is credit team. The business team have relationship officers and business managers who generally source the file from the market, and post that they will hand over the same to our credit department for further checks and visits any. Then
Mm.
after that, in my uh, in my downline, we have credit officers and credit managers. So the credit officers will initially do the civil check and also initiating of various
Tell me, initiating of.
and initiating of various reports. Actually, valuation reports and legal reports are done by our bank internally, so we have to initiate the same to the same. We also initiate RCU reports, and if other UDF check like CFR, Central Fraud Registry, Surside DDU, we have to done at login stage firstly. Then, meanwhile, our credit managers and if required, myself, we have to visit the case at the customer residence, business, and the primary collateral he is providing to us. Post which, uh, till that time, we also received our reports regarding legal and valuation, RCU, uh, and with the decision of our policy, we have to take decision. If we are booking the case under documented products, we must go through the incomes from the banking, ITR, and GST.
What is that?
And
What is that one you said? No, ITR. What is that? Income tax
sorry,
return.
yes, sir. We have income tax return, GST, and banking. Uh,
Mhm.
the income will be taken from the same, and on the basis of us, we have to book a loan on two aspects. First aspect is LTV, what is the primary collateral value, and how much
Mhm.
amount we are funding on that collateral.
Mhm.
And the
Loan to
second
value.
one is
LTV
loan to
normally
value
they
ratio,
loan to value. Loan to value. Yeah.
loan to valuation. And in the second aspects, we have to check the customers how much fixed obligations are after that loan with respect to his income. That is fixed obligation to income ratio, considering the proposed EMI of the proposed loan. Then we have also policy limit of the same, and we have to adhere within this limit only to fund the
Mhm.
customer. And if required, we can also
Wha-
approve at deviation.
1 minute. Hello, Medhavi. Medhavi, I'm just now in another interview with Punjab National Bank. Candidate, I will call you after 15-20 minutes. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Now, good. You told these things correctly. ITR, then okay. Then how do you? My question was about, are these things done nowadays? Everything computerized, or everything is done on paperwork? How are you doing it?
Firstly, our the collection of the documents are done by relationship, and after that we have to put the same documents in our system. Our software is known as Rapid, which is known for its speed.
What is the name of the software?
Rapid.
RAPID.
Yes, sir. The name is suggested by our seniors to process the loan application very quickly. The name is given as
Oh,
Rapid.
acha. It is
That's
your. Is it your bank's software?
yes, sir. It is our bank internally developed software with
No, very good. Very. I thought it
IT
is something.
teams.
I thought it is something like Tally or something which is used outside also. It's not so. It's for your
No,
bank
no,
only.
sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. So that rapid software उसमें क्या क्या points देंगे आप लोग?
Sir, the Rapid software is a very extensive software which almost contains our all policy decisions. Which, if we are giving customers demographic details, generally date of birth, gender, standard, stability, address, whether he is from which business segment, his other his profile, the sub profile with NIC code of the profile to further classification for the PSL purpose. We have to give him all the details about the customer, including his mobile number, email IDs, and KYC. If it is going beyond age, or then our system will automatically generate deviations of the same, and he will, if customer stability is lower than our policy, then also deviations. Thus, on the basis of demographic, many deviations are raised by the system. Then come
Yeah.
to our collateral details.
At this stage, you have to tell about the normal conditions that are required as per your software. When you are processing a proposal, supposing you say debt service
Yes, sir.
coverage ratio 1.33 or current asset ratio, should be this way. Those points also you can tell.
Yes, sir.
Not necessary to
Yes,
me
sir.
in a real interview. Yeah.
Sir, in my bank currently, more funding, these things are very little to be checked, because our main two ratios are LTV and FOIR. And our
LTV,
ticket size,
no, LTV and
FOIR, FOIR, fixed obligation to income ratio.
super. 1 minute, I will note it.
Because,
I have not
yes,
heard it earlier. Fixed
yes, sir.
obligation to income ratio.
Income ratio, sir. Because I am in department with SB and term loan. Therefore, ratios which are current, they are used in our segment where is cash credit and overdraft limits are being granted. And because of small finance bank, we have limit our ticket size also.
What is the
We have to
maximum
fund.
limit? What is the maximum limit you have given in your bank? You have
Sir,
given or your bank has given?
Sir, in my segment currently, maximum loan limit is 1.5 CR for any one proposal. And as a small finance bank, we have to keep our 50% of loan portfolio below 25 lakhs ticket size.
50% it has to be less
Below
than
25, less than 25 lakhs ticket loan for due to RBI regulation mandatory requirement.
Correct.
Then third requirement is 75% less than more than 75% should be PSL classification.
Priority sector. Correct. Good.
And to the best of my knowledge, my bank has sanctioned maximum loan amount up to 5 crore, not more than 5 crore. Any single project is done yet by the bank.
Excellent. Very good. That's right. But you can even tell about your branch only 1.5 crore, or you can tell a higher amount also, because in these type of interviews, they are more happy about the higher the loan you have taken. They are more happy about it. They want people who can take up big proposals with higher limits. So that is their idea. Accordingly, you can tell 5 crores also. Good. Very nice. Excellent.
Sir, I have also, I working in term loan. That's why I have very little knowledge about the product of a cash credit end, but I have read out about their policies and also discussed the same with my friends. Whenever I have talked with them, that what is additional you will do in your loans and what we are not doing in our loan. Therefore, I came to know about the turnover limit 5 crore up to loan of 5 crore. Then more than 5 crore, we will grant loan on the basis of our uh, uh, working capital assessment by I am currently not recalling.
2-3 methods are there.
Yes, sir.
Maximum
Yes,
permissible
sir.
bank finance.
Maximum permissible bank finance.
उसको
Yes, sir.
मगअप करना है, उसको मगअप करना है. If you have some friends working in public sector, banks in credit portfolio, please talk to him and try to know more about it. However, the materials I have provided, that itself contains a lot of input for that.
Yes, sir. I have read out, mostly are not completed due to working hours of 9:30 to 6:30 in the bank. And then
did you take some coaching for written exam? You must have taken.
Yes, sir. I have yes, sir. I have taken coaching for P.N.B, especially from knowledgeist classes. And sir, last year I also appeared for the interviews of RRB, Chartered Accountant Special Category. but I have good marks in written, but in interview I have been granted 39 marks only out of 40. So the things wrong went where I have given them a wrong answer of two questions directly.
अच्छा,
That's
अच्छा,
the negative point I have given in, because they are not clear to me, but I have given answer as a positive. That's why the thing went wrong very
that is how it went
badly.
on. The RRB
Yes, sir.
interview must have been conducted in local language.
Sir, the interviewer are very free to ask me whether you want to give in Hindi, you can give in Hindi, and you can give in English if you require. So I
But
have
you are
given them in English.
you are very good in English. You are good in compared to normal Rajasthan candidates. Your performance is far better because you have studied chartered accountancy. Good job. So this is the first time we are talking, or we have talked earlier?
No, no, sir. The interview I have just checked on YouTube very rarely about you. That's I
Oh,
have you are very earlier, and I have reminded from last 5 months that if I will select in any interview, I will take classes
oh,
initially from you.
very good, very good.
Uh,
You can. I suggest
Earlier,
you. I suggest you also take coaching from other institutes like Knowledges or others who are giving you, because the more the mock interview, it will be good for you.
yes, sir. I have also in their group for interview, but they are not taking regularly. They will take within 7 days one time, and that's the issue. That's why I have to
Very
because
good,
I
very
have to check
good.
myself 2 times at least.
No, you are doing this first interview itself. You are answering very well, and your interview date has been finalized or not?
Yes, sir. My interview date has been finalized of 18th October in New
Oh,
Delhi.
अच्छा, date भी आ गया, 18th October.
Yes,
Good,
sir.
good,
Yes,
good, good.
sir.
Very happy. You are progressing very well. You are studying very well. Now, can you tell me about some of the important happenings that is taking place now in our economy? What are the problems we are facing in our economy? What are the recommendations made by RBI? What are the steps taken by RBI?
So the RBI initially first issues we are facing about the depreciation of rupee, which is in the last 2 to 3 months has depreciated very in high amount in high uh, value. That's the due to which our import is very costly to us. Therefore, RBI have initiated to trade in rupee with few countries who are also wants to participate in the same in rupee manner. So therefore, we have with Russia, we are and France, we are going on to transaction with the rupee, so that we will be have at a par situation and rupee weakening can be stopped from the same.
Also, I think
Then
Bangladesh also. Please
yes,
check
sir.
it.
I have. Yes, sir. I will. General awareness. I have very low. That's I have to study in next
Oh,
10 to 15 days. I will
अच्छा,
be
अच्छा,
make
ठीक है.
very much
Then
more
okay.
focus.
Then I will not ask questions relating to general awareness.
No,
I
no,
will
sir.
ask.
You can ask.
No, no.
No, no, sir. I
Actually,
will.
this type of questions will be asked. Number one, what are the initial? आप रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का वेबसाइट में जाके you have to go through the latest circulars, more especially relating to credit. If you
Yes,
can't
sir.
do that, what you have to do is you have to go through the CTDI link I have given. Did you come across that link? There is a
No, sir.
magazine.
N-
There is a
no, sir. I
magazine,
don't.
not CTDI.
Yes, sir. I
CTDI.
will.
I think it is there very
Sir.
much below my videos. You see, if you go to
Okay,
my,
sir.
if just a minute, I'll show you. Kindly hold on. It will help you. Supposing you go to any of my videos, I will show you that. And this will help others also. For example, I click this link. I
Yes, sir. I
click
have
this.
opened the link in my
Yeah,
laptop, and it is
yeah,
Corporate Training
yeah,
and Development Institute for
yeah,
Bankers.
yeah. That is right. उतना जरूरत नहीं, आप खाली इसमें आइएगा. You come to my video, any of my videos.
Okay,
I
sir.
will show you the link. I will show you the link. एक मिनट ठहरो, अभी देखता. Are you seeing on the screen my video?
Yes, sir. Uh,
Is any video, if you come across that, this is the latest video I have put for. This is the latest video I have posted for RRB interview guidance के लिए. This is because RRB exam was over on last Saturday.
yes, sir.
And
I
some,
have also given
अच्छा,
RRB,
oh, because many,
BOB credit analyst, and
oh,
for just knowledge purpose, I have given BOI credit officer. I am not interested in that job much more, but I have given due to my friend also fill up the form, so we both went to the
why
for
are you
the
not interested in boy? Is because going to be
sir.
privatized.
Sir, the no, yes, sir. I have heard the same thing about, and the pay scale is also much scale one job that is actually
अच्छा अच्छा, no,
which
oh, scale
also
one. Oh, अच्छा, scale one doesn't matter. अच्छा देखिए, if you
yes, sir.
come to my video, आप कहीं भी जगह जाने का जरूरत नहीं है. आप इसमें आइएगा, यहाँ पर आपको आपको आएगा 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 से CTDI. इसको क्लिक करने से हो जाएगा. You click that one. Once you click, are you seeing it on the screen now?
Yes, sir. A few of which are also included in the link of link of that shared by you, sir,
Yeah,
for
yeah,
interview purpose. A few
yeah,
of
yeah,
PDFs magazine are also in that. Yes, sir. I
yeah.
have got it.
This one. All these things have
Yes,
been
sir.
given up to September. It is here, and once
Yes,
you
sir. I
click,
will go.
yeah, once you click this 1 minute, once you click this video, that this one, you will get like this. Whatever is
Yes, sir.
happening, policy guidelines.
Yes,
ये
sir. It
सब
is very beneficial.
ये
I
सब
must
आपको
go through the same.
पता होना है. नंबर 5 6 में आएगा. 6 में policy, small finance banks eligible for authorized dealer category 1 license,
Yes, sir. I
outsourcing of
have.
finance, opening of
Yes,
new
sir.
place. अब ये सब पूरा पढ़ लीजिए बाद में, ठीक है.
Bilkul, sir. Yes, sir. I will definitely go for the same in next 10 days, and
Yeah,
I probably looking for a second interview on 14th of the October with you,
yeah,
so that
we will meet again. It's not a
and
problem.
I will
Now,
update my general awareness,
yeah,
and
yeah,
also
yeah. Now let
and
me
also
ask
other
you.
aspect.
Yeah, let me ask you some of the questions I have prepared. Number one,
Yes, sir.
what is bank assurance?
Sir, bank assurance is a type of assurance given on the behalf of the customer or for if he is require any assurance in generally when someone dealing with him, he generally does not die. First time he does not uh, have much confidence in the customer, so the customer can contact his existing bank about the
Mm.
that he can issue a letter of comfort type. So, and such assurance given by the bank is called bank assurance.
Oh, no, no, that is not correct. That's not correct. Bank assurance is say banks canvassing of
It is related
insurance.
to insurance.
Ah,
Yes, sir. Bank
canvassing of,
assurance. Yes, sir.
yeah,
I
yeah.
getting. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, in something in a year
I
around
think I have
2000, when
provided in the material I have provided, it is coming. There
sir,
is a
currently bank insurance I have not gone through yet. That's why I'm not getting the point easily. But
very good. I will leave that question. I will leave that question.
yes, sir.
Let me go to um, uh, asking questions about लिमिटेड कंपनीज का रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ चार्जेस का बारे में आप जानते हैं?
Sir, private limited companies?
प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी, पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी
Yes, sir.
जिसको
Yes,
फाइनेंस
sir.
देने से व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ चार्ज? What are
Sir,
the important points you would like to tell me? There is a material I have
sir,
provided in the link that is given.
yes, sir, I have gone through. For any loan, if a limited company has taken from bank financial institution, there is must they have to register the charge over the asset within 30 days from the date of loan. In Form 1, they have to file the CHG 1 for creation of the charges, and on the satisfaction of the loan, such charges will be via filing another form, CHG4. By such form, by filing, such charge can be removed, and if any further modification is required, CHG2 needs to be filed within due time.
What is CHG10?
Sir, CHG is short form for charge creation.
No,
Charge, CH.
CHG10. There is
Sir,
one
I
form.
not.
You have to study that. You are not remembering it. Doesn't matter. Can you tell me what is Section 20 of Banking Regulation Act says? You don't know?
Sir,
No
section
problem.
20.
You are
Sir,
not prepared.
not
I think
prepared about sanctions directly. It is very hard and time.
अच्छा. Did you go through
That's
P.N.B profile पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है?
Sir, yes, yesterday I have gone through the same about and I have some questions to discuss with you that I am not getting what are the same.
Please ask me what is the. No. First I will ask questions. Then you.
Yes, sir. First you will ask the question, then
How many branches are there for P.N.B?
Sir, P.N.B is having approximately 10,000, more than 10,000 branches all across. Out of which they have two branches which are outside India. Means they are foreign branches actually. One is in the gift city Ahmedabad, and the second one is in Dubai. And they have 39,000 approximately touch points.
How many ATMs and how many business correspondents do they have? That also figure they have given. Number of ATMs.
Yes, sir.
Number of business correspondents. You remember? You don't remember. It doesn't matter. Here, next question.
Don't remember, sir.
What is the global gross business of P.N.B? In fact, even in this material that they have given given specifically like that profile. In the profile I have given you, okay, it is the
Yes, sir.
It is given. The value of the figures are all given. Please go through that. Doesn't matter. Now,
yes, sir. The figure is around 10 lakh crores in the gross global business.
But now, can you tell me what is the share of CASA of Punjab National Bank?
Sir, the share of CASA of Punjab National Bank is 39%.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the capital adequacy ratio of P.N.B as on March 2022?
Sir, exact figure I couldn't remember, but
14
it is around
14.50.
14.50.
14.50.
Okay.
Then there can be questions on, say, what is awards and recognitions taken? What about the priority for you? They will ask mostly, what is the performance of Punjab National Bank in regard to, say, priority sector portfolio? Okay.
Sir, they have a target of 40% for priority sector lending, but they are doing it more 41 percentage in regards to PSL classification.
Good. Very good. Now, this portion of the questions you have been able to manage very well. You answered all the questions nicely. Now, what is the doubt you are having? Ask me.
Sir, actually, I have doubts. It's about the business. I am not getting the. Just a second, sir. I will open the P.N.B.
You want to go to the P.N.B website? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The things I would like to ask, sir, what is the domestic deposits are the deposits with the bank, firstly. Then what is mean by global deposits? Because these are it is only global deposits, or are these with global plus domestic deposits? Because the figure is higher than the domestic deposits.
Acha. No. Domestic deposit means deposits within our country, India.
India only, yes, sir.
Then global deposits means deposits with Punjab National Bank, including the two foreign branches. Including the two foreign branches.
Yes, foreign branch. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then what is the next doubt?
Sir, the next doubt is that they have a gross global business. Means deposits plus advance, there is
they will always
gross
add
global
both
business.
deposits. Yeah, deposits plus
Yes, sir.
advance. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is CASA ratio is ratio of current account and saving account with respect to the total deposits. That's why I
Exactly,
know about
exactly,
the.
exactly,
Yes, sir.
exactly.
One thing I would also know whether they can go in the mainly CRAR having a very extensive uh, material on the how they are classified as CRAR. This is tier one, tier two, and
Yeah,
in
yeah.
tier one for capital purpose
I
loan given
think
by
I
cent.
think your knowledgeist, they must have given you the material regarding that, na? You must be
Sir,
having
actually
it.
they have provided the material, but they are not providing direct PDFs to us to tune mobile directly because they are in their websites only, and I have to open each time the same
Oh, each
to
time
check
to
the
say.
same.
Okay, what I will do,
Yes, sir. They are.
I have
Mm,
one material of bank exams today, bank examination today. Some Ramdeep
yes,
Singh,
sir.
उनका material
Okay,
मेरा
sir.
पास है, उसको आपको दे देगा.
Okay, sir.
If you can't get that also, don't worry. Go to google.com and search it this way, whatever questions you want. Supposing you want to know what are tier 1 deposits, tier 1 capital, just put banks tier 1 capital. It will give you the details. Tier 2 capital, it will give you the details. So likewise, you can
Yes, sir.
download, save and then read also. I will give you bank
Yes, sir.
exams today ka link de dega. कोई चिंता नहीं.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. My rating of you as on today is 8 out of 10. 8 out
Thank
of
you, sir.
10. 8 out of 10. But mm, the latest number one, you have to update about more about the macro decisions because you are a chartered accountant.
Yes, sir.
In fact, yesterday in one ECGC interview, not yesterday, today, 3rd of October, in one ECGC interview, just a minute, I will show you. These are the questions they have asked for a candidate who worked in Punjab National Bank, switched over to income tax as a clerk. So for him, they asked, what is it that is attracting you to come to ECGC? And this question can be asked to you also. Some economists are of the view that income tax is useless and must be abolished. What is your take on that? Okay. And they did not
Yes, sir.
stop with that. Then they went on to ask about the United Nations General Assembly meet that day. Then Russia-Ukraine war. What parts of Ukraine war were annexed by Russia? Which part of Ukraine pushed back Russia? Like that. Then about SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Meeting, na?
Corporation.
Shanghai
Yes, sir.
Corporation something. About that. Which new country participated this time? Why was it in the news? And this is another question related to you, chartered accountant. What is windfall tax? उसके
Yes,
बारे में
sir.
अभी
Current.
अभी
Current.
अभी बात चल रहा है उसका बारे में
Currently,
अभी
windfall tax is reduced in diesel and petroleum
या
products. Mainly, it is.
उसका बारे में पूछा है and 1 or 2 questions on income tax because you are a chartered accountant you cannot but expect question on GST then income tax
Income tax,
budget
Companies Act.
Atma Nirbhar.
Yes, sir.
Please prepare on these things. Come again next time. Then we will discuss something more in detail. Best wishes.
Yes, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you,
Because
sir.
I have commitment at 10:30 with some other group. So I have to go. I mean,
Okay,
for
sir.
me,
Okay, sir.
10:30, for you 8 o'clock. Yeah. Now
Okay, sir.
your time must be nearing 8. So 8 o'clock, I have committed to come to some place. I'll go there also.
O-
So best wishes. Your
Okay,
performance
sir.
is good, good only. So I have
Okay,
to
sir. I
give
will
you,
improve the best
yeah,
to better.
yeah. Now you know which areas you don't know. उसका बारे में आप पढ़ लीजिए, prepare कर दीजिए उसका बारे में. For example, current affair, you say you are not familiar. Then about
Yes, no.
P.N.B's details, you can't remember, I know. So उसको एक बार पढ़ लीजिए. Then
Right.
about
Yes,
your
sir.
own,
Just the PSL classification. It is yesterday I have read about the same. I don't know the exact figure, but I know the figures which are just equal to the same or approximately the same. First,
Yeah,
second, I will not tell anything which I not confirm, because last time I have the same and it is gone very negative because I have 20 marks above in written. If my interview gives me 40 marks only, I will be definitely selecting.
very sad,
That's the
very sad.
yes, sir. That's I have discussed the
No,
same
no,
with
but
my
year after year, only criteria is if you know, you say, tell the answer. Otherwise, say I don't know. Now, if you ask
yes,
me
yes,
how
sir. I have,
if you ask me what are the name of 4 areas annexed by Russia, I am reading it every day. I am reading it. I am very much on that only. Phil, I can't remember. So I have to
but
say I
still I
don't know.
can't remember.
Yeah, I have.
Yes, sir.
If you don't remember, say I don't know. Nothing wrong. Best
Yes.
wishes. Now 8
Okay.
marks only for this interview. You must score 9.5 out of
Definitely,
10.
sir. I will
Then
try
only
my
they
best in the.
then only they will give you 8 marks out of 10.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes. Thank you.
But sir,
And
I will also looking for
some of the
next
candidates who are,
interview.
yeah, some of the candidates who have done interview with me have scored 30 out of 30. State Bank of India. Can you believe?
No, sir.
30
It
out
is
of 30 out
next
of 30.
impossible to.
Yes, 30 out of 30. And group discussion, she scored 19. Totally 49 out of 50.
No, sir. It is very much very good for that candidate.
Yeah.
He
And
it means he is having.
remember, she is only BSc computer science. Bus. Kali
So they
BSc
must.
computer and only
So they
1
must
year
be
gap.
very good in remembering. They are
Remembering.
very much.
Exactly.
Because
Remembering.
computer science is a very job,
Yeah.
a very profile which they have to be basically and minutely know everything about the dates.
Anyway,
That's the
best wishes. You are not an ordinary guy. You are a chartered accountant. You have excellent potentiality. You will succeed.
sir. I
Bhagavan
will
Jai.
also have to tell one thing. That's in interview. The first time when result came, they have asked call for 210 people for 100 vacancy. But when they provided again the list after document, they have asked our document on mail, and they have given the revised list. But they have just called 125 candidates for
Oh, oh,
100 posts,
that's very
and
good. That's
and
good
we
for
are
you.
not. That's we are not.
No,
We
no.
are not
But
getting well.
again, 100 out of 125 का मतलब ये नहीं है. They are going to select all the 100. ऐसा select
Yes,
नहीं करेगा.
yes,
They
sir.
will
That's I
select
have to
40.
ask.
They will select 40, 50 also.
Yes, sir. I have to ask the same thing whether it is there also reservation, because I am from an unreserved category and there must be same from OBC, SC, ST. That also gets segregated post
No
that.
problem. Don't worry. You will do well. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Okay.
We'll
Bye bye,
meet
sir.
again. Please tell me 1 or 2 days beforehand so that we
Yes,
can
sir. I
have.
will on 15th. I will most probably 14th or 15th, because I have to leave 16th evening for the, because of early 9. I not possible from my location. I have to reach there by 1 day earlier. So I will
Very good.
probably on 15th and or 16th morning if majorly required.
You
Sir, my
have to
just
pay.
request,
Yeah. Tell me.
uh, uh, CDTI and the other data, sir, you are saying to provide me about the.
I will send you. I will send you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I will send you. Absolutely no problem. इसमें कोई तकलीफ नहीं.
And it is very nice to meet, having
ए,
interview with
no
you,
no
sir.
CTDI तो हम देने का जरूरत नहीं. आप हमारा वीडियो का अंदर से निकाल सकते हैं.
Bilkul, I will take CTDI from that point,
And
and
I have
for
to give
other,
you bank exams today. Bank exams today. Banking.
yes, sir, bank. Okay, sir.
पूरा banking है. About
Bilkul, sir.
it was costing some 3,500 rupees. I paid for that and I took it. It will be of use for others. Thank you. Best
Okay, sir.
wishes. Next time you come for interview, you need to pay only 200 rupees and then come. Best wishes.
Yes, sir. These 200 are very minute because of such a good knowledge and
Yeah.
for such a guidance.
You will
It is
learn.
nothing, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. God bless you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.